Hello everyone, this is Shreyans Jain with my stock market outlook for 27th of May 20th. Before we get into the details, we look on the overall opinion. We expect the positive move as long 8800 is not broken on daily closing basis. New positions can be created in auto, media and metals with stop loss as we will be discussing in next slides. Let's understand the market action as on today. So Nifty closed almost flat with a minimal loss of 10 points. Uh, if you look at the other indexes within mid cap, it was up by 70 points, which is 2.2%. Small cap, it was again up by 29 points or something around 0.76%. VIX was down by 3%, and as of now, Dow Jones is also up by 1.2%. So everything suggests that except for the although Nifty closed flat, uh, all other indexes were positive. Advanced decline ratio was 1, which is again positive. Technical indicators were positive, as well as the volume was 64 crore shares. So almost less than, although less than the normal volume, but yes, it is not supporting the fall in Nifty today, which is only 10 points. Key points to be noted: 8800 is the key level to be watched. If broken on closing prices, can expect further downside. FII and DII change in derivative open positions, meaning to say what was their derivative open position on the last trading day, which is 22nd of May, which is last Friday, and what they did today. So if we look at perform an analysis of the change in derivative open position, we suggest a positive outlook, and cash transactions suggest buying both by FIIs and DIIs. Let's have a look on the sectoral indexes. See, so all the indexes including bank, which was a surprise, they closed in green except for IT, media and pharma. IT and pharma were the major contributor which fell to the loss in Nifty today. So Nifty IT fall by approximately 2% and Nifty Pharma fall by approximately 1.22%. The major gainers were the Nifty Auto, which was 1.51%, and Nifty Metal, which was 2.68%. Talking about the next steps in each of these indexes, Nifty Bank, it is still retesting the March lows, and any new position should be created only if close above 17,900. Talking about auto, it is positive, can initiate new positions with a stop loss of 5600. Nifty financials, as of now, no new positions recommended. FMCG, no new positions recommended, and IT, no new positions recommended. Nifty media can initiate positions in selective stocks with a stop loss of 1100, and Nifty metal can initiate new positions with a stop loss of 1705. No new positions are recommended in Nifty pharma. Talking about a smart money move, so FIS today were net purchase on cash segments of for 4,716 crore. They were also long for 188 crores in index futures, index options they were long, and stock futures they were short by 1413 crore, and stock options they were short by 185 crores. For the monthly data, if you look at on FIS and DIS, so they were net buyers of 10,434 crores in cash, as well as the DIAs are net buyer of 8,772 crore net in cash. Talking about index futures, FIs are net in negative, index options they are in positive, stock futures they are in negative, and stock options they are in negative. Let's have a look on the client wise open derivative positions. So retail clients are negative in index futures. So this is a significant change as against the last trading day, that is last Friday. So clients were earlier positive on index futures, but today's transaction suggests that clients have turned net negative. Stock futures they are positive, index options they are positive, and stock options they are positive. Talking about DIS, so no change in positions, they are still positive in index futures. Stock futures they are negative, index options they are negative, in stock options they are negative. FIIs, so FIIs, although they are negative in index futures, but considering today's transactions, they are eventually today's transaction suggests that they are changing their view eventually. Stock futures, they are overall positive, index options negative, and stock options they are negative. Talking about the broking houses or professional traders, they are positive for index futures, stock futures, and index options. So analyzing these data suggests that the FIIs and DIIs as well as the pro or broking houses are turning positive on index futures as well as the stock futures. So we can expect some positive move from here on. That is it from my side for today. Hope you will find the information provided useful, and thank you for listening to me. Have safe investing.